Hello everyone, my name is Galieng P.E and I'm from MJ3B class. So this time I will present the result of my summary with a journal entitled Students Need Analysis on Multimedia Best Grammar 1 Teaching Material. The author of this journal is Fitrawati from Padang State University. So the first discuss is about background of the research. Technological developments have developed throughout the world and all sector. In education sector, the use of technology supports the teaching and learning process. Computers, laptops, smartphones, and others contribute for teaching and learning media. In higher education is also influenced by technological developments, including the development of the use of multimedia technology. But there is some lecturers still use conventional learning styles cause boredom for students. Even though, even though with multimedia able to maximize students' understanding and memory. So this is what makes Fatmawati as a researcher adopt multimedia-based research and development. Grammar teaching materials need to be done. So the next discuss is about the problems. There are three problems formulation. To number one, lack of students' understanding of the material being taught. The number two, lack of detailed explanations in learning. The number three, the emergence of boredom in students due to conventional learning system. The next is the limitations. This research took place in English department of Padang State University in Grammar 1 class. There are 164 students participate in this research. The next is the objectives of study. This research is to find out students' problem in learning grammar material and to find out students' need in learning. The next is significance of study. The first for the students. The result will make students aware of their problems in learning. This can make them more active in learning. And the second is for teachers or lecturers. The result will give lecturers or teachers about student achievement in learning. This can be used by teachers or lecturers to change the method of teaching and provide material to students. The next is the review of literature. There are three literature used in this journal. The first one from Henny, Molhenda, and Russell state that media in learning activity can be defined as something that can bring information and knowledge in the interaction that take place between the lecturers and the students. The next from Tomlinson explain that common teaching material include knowledge, skill, attitudes that must be mastered by students to carry out some basic competence. And the last from Grave explain that development of teaching material is a procedure where teachers, instructors create units and the lesson for general and specific learning outcomes. The next is analysis and design. The first, the researcher took the data from two kinds instrument, questionnaire and document analysis. The number two, the questionnaire was give to lecture without grammar class 1 and for the students taking this subject. The number 3, the contents of the questionnaire are divided into several sections. The next is the findings. In the findings, the aspect of need analysis is the type of media and their importance for the students. To see this, there are 10 items of questions related to the media are given to the respondents. The first, the course book. 86% respondent answer important for course book. The next, the 64% respondent answer audio-based material is important. The number 3, the 81% respondent answer PowerPoint presentation are important. And the next, 91% respondent answer the interactive multimedia based materials is important. The 81% respondent answer audiovisual material is important. The 64% respondent answer not important for written task or exercise. Next, the 81% respondent answer the audio-based test or exercise is important. And the next, 85% respondent answer audiovisual based test or exercise is important. 83% respondent answer that PowerPoint based test or exercise is important. And the last, 92% respondent answer that interactive multimedia task or exercise is important. So the last discuss is about conclusion. There are 3 conclusions in these journals. In this journal, the first, teachers or lecturers need to update learning methods, use the latest technology such as multimedia. The next, teachers or lecturers need to make teaching materials that are attractive and in accordance with the needs of students. And the last, multimedia is needed by students in learning and multimedia based teaching materials. So that was my presentation. Thank you for your attention. If you any question, you can ask me now. Bye bye.